We're going to talk about beard butter because I think it's going to be one of those beard care products you probably haven't heard of just yet. I'm Daniel, I'm from Beardster. We make all natural beard care for you, and beard butter is one of our favourite products to use on any size beard. I mean, it's good on short beards like this or really long beards. I was just doing a yeared and I had a 12-month beard that I just recently trimmed off. I developed the beard butter throughout that journey, so I knew that it was good on short, medium and long full beards. Now you're probably wondering what beard butter does, like why do you need something else? And you don't, it's an absolute choice. But what beard butter gives you is something none of the other products can, because you can get such rich natural butters such as your mango butter, your shea butter, your avocado butter, that just do wonders on your skin. I mean, I know you can get things like avocado oil, but I think the butter form just gives you that extra kick of vitamins, nutrients and nourishment to help keep your skin, and it's more of a focus on your skin because beard butter is great for keeping your skin highly moisturized and conditioned. When you open up your beard butter, you'll notice that it looks more like a cream compared to like a beard balm that looks like a balm. It's solid, it's got a strong top that normally you break through, and it's nice and supple underneath. But a butter is completely different. It is more like a cream. It's made out of all natural butters, a few oils that are chucked in as well. And the whole point of it is that regardless of what size beard you have, you can get right down to your skin, you can massage it in, and it's going to prevent your skin from cracking, from getting itchy and dry. And it actually has ingredients in it such as your coconut oil and rice bran oil, for example, that are really going to allow the skin to repair. It's really nice and light and it leaves a matte finish, and it's just one of those products that if you haven't tried it yet, you definitely should. It's going to change your beard care for the better. It's going to leave your beard feeling better. The only downside is it doesn't give any style, doesn't give any hold to the beard. We don't have any wax or anything like that. Like I said, this is just purely natural butters and a couple of oils in there. So check it out, guys. Beard butter is just my all-time favorite beard care product. I don't go a day without using it. And we've designed it so it's good for your entire face, so you can apply it to your skin like an actual moisturizer, and it's going to leave your skin feeling really nice. Like I haven't had any dryness on my face for a little while now. My skin feels rejuvenated every day, and I couldn't do without it going forward.